Welcome to Science. This is week 33, and this is day one of, we're starting to review all the information that you've learned this year. So we are starting our learning target. I can explain how an animal's internal and external structures function to help it survive. So this is a great way to just help you review. This first one starts with a video. And the second, here you're just going to read the text. And you're trying to remember about the structures that are internal and external. Internal meaning inside, and external meaning outside. And again, you're going to read the text that goes with these. You've got the little audio symbol that tells you that you can tap that and listen if you would like. And this is some review, just the vocabulary, external structures. And it explains what those are. And by talking about external structures, and then you're going to look at the structures found on the outside, internal structures, inside, and functions, the purpose. What is it? Why is something doing what it does? What's the function of the brain? How do our eyes help us? So those are things there. And then these questions that you're coming up with are just practice questions. They're similar to what you might see on the test, and here you can kind of check and see how you think you might have done on the science test. So it talks about an owl flying across a field, and it captures its prey, a small little field mouse. And in this task, you're going to be constructing an explanation. In other words, your job here is to provide an explanation for how the snowy owl uses its internal and external structures to help it catch its prey. So you're going to use the arrows and the labels at the left to identify the owl's internal and external structures. And then you're going to choose one of those, either internal or external, and you're going to explain. You'll type in the left hand over here. You're going to type what did you choose, internal or external. And then over here you're going to answer the question, why is that important to the owl's survival? Asks another question, one inference that can be made about why the owl moves so quietly, or one educated guess, one reason that you think they move so quietly, and you'll answer that. And then the snowy owl blends into its habitat. Why is this important for the owl? Again, you'll choose one of the three answers. The circle here on the left can be moved over to circle your answer. And then this the last slide you can watch. There's this teacher video, and that is going to help you check your answers. So that is what that is for. And that is the end of day one of science.